They got the tow truck. Check that one out, guys. A clean SV. That's nice. Signed by Dave, Damon.
In Lucci we trust. Otherwise we would rust. That's a must.
All right, guys. Later, Mark. Take it easy, guys. Oh, yeah. All right, Damon. Cool. Good seeing you, brother.
Hey, what's up, Lucci?
My brother from another.
Good truth, my friend.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, you know what to do. Reach over, smash that like and subscribe. Doesn't cost you nothing. I go city to city, state to state. And I'm going to take you guys for a ride in my DDE car, my abandoned DDE car. So I'm going to bring it out, get it ready for Monterey Car Week. Show you guys maybe a couple of my other cars. It's a little vlog, man. I'll be traveling, going up the coast. I'll be heading to Vegas, LA, doing a couple things. Haven't got out much since my surgery and my issue at the hospital. So I appreciate all the new subscribers once again. Thank you guys so much. And man, if you guys love cars as much as I do, you love travel, you love, you know, I even give you guys updates on what's going on out there with everybody, man. I'm out here running around, guys. I really appreciate you guys. So hang steady. Gonna get this thing fired up and take it for a spin, man, and run around and tell you guys what's going on with me, what's going on with the car community, everything, man. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Like, share, subscribe. Let's get on the road. Found an abandoned DDE car, guys. Just kidding. This is my car, but it's kind of abandoned. I don't ever drive it. Try to keep it clean with the cover. You know, I got a few cars, guys. I wanted to give this one away, but Dave said keep it. Let me bring it out and take it for a ride. Hang steady, guys. Of course, my boys Dave and Damon signed it from DDE. My boy Hector of NoLG, Fast and Furious. Well, let's bring this thing out, man. I used to take this thing everywhere, guys, for about almost 4 years. City to city, state to state. Movie's Garage built it. DDE had it, gave it to Raymond. Raymond didn't do really nothing with it, so I got it from him. And since then, man, I done took it everywhere, guys. Let's put some gas. 76, of course. Anyways, guys, make sure y'all getting ready for Monterey Car Week. I'll bring this one out, maybe my Porsche, maybe the Trans Am again. But man, I ran this thing through the car wash, dude. It was too early, I forgot, and blew out the whole back window. The wing got stuck on the washer, and I got stuck. Anyways, guys, let's get on the road. Alright, guys, let me get on the road. What should I do with this thing, guys? I think once I hit 100,000, still thinking about giving it away, but I'm gonna for sure give away a different car. So hang steady for that. Like, share, subscribe, and more to come. Stay tuned for the big surprise. Getting a new battery put in the DDE Movie's Garage built Prius. Getting ready for Monterey Car Week. Gonna bring a couple of my cars out. It's a headache getting the battery in this thing. How's it going, man?
Good car, man.
Cool, thank you. You can put a new JDM motor for me. They've done a couple motors on this thing, guys. But hang steady, man. Got some big plans for this. Leave a comment, let me know what you think I should do with it. Like I said, if you're in the Bay, right here in San Jose, come to San Jose Muffler Auto Repair. My boys got you. They do it all. Big pipes. Let's get back on the road. Check that one out, guys. A clean SV. That's nice. That's clean. Got a Prowler. Let's get back on the road, guys. They're coming in hot, boy. Yeah. More coming in, guys. This other guy's already recording. They just kind of followed these guys and just pulled them over. I don't know why yet. Yeah, they whipped him out of the car real quick. But a lot of people come here to the Gene Palace and buy stuff. But I'm just recording to make sure they treat these guys right, because sometimes it's not the way it goes. Oh, okay, so they pulled a weapon on this guy while the kid was here. Yeah, I was walking out and I seen these cop cars following this guy in, and he came out the car, and I guess apparently they just rushed him right away at gunpoint. So the guy got a little pissed off, which is understandable, especially there was a little kid here. So here in San Jose, they got a big gang task force. This place Back in the day when I grew up, it used to be like everything gang, like big time in the 80s and 90s. And so they're pretty aggressive here when they see people that looking like they're a gang member. Like the guy said, you know, the cop saw him, saw he looked like a gang member and pulled him over immediately, which is kind of profiling, I guess you could say. But they kind of shook their profiling reputation here a while ago. But maybe today kind of something like that happened again. Who knows? But like I said, kind of a quick aggressive act to yank him out the car with a gun as soon as the guy walked out. But yeah. I mean, it looks like everything is pretty good so far. Doesn't look like nothing major is happening right now. Looks like everything is cool. Hopefully. Well, peaceful ending. Everyone's good. Yeah, for sure, man, for sure. All right. Good ending. All right, guys. Well, it worked out well. For sure, man. You guys too. Big surprise on the way. Hot day today, man. Woof. Road trip, boys and girls. Check out the McLaren. Hang steady, guys. Almost to the destination. Oh man, they got a crash out here, guys. I don't know. It looks like the cop car may have hit, or he's just blocking the traffic. Driving on the way up to LA, stopping in Vegas. Bring you guys a little of the chaotic stuff on the road, man. Well, it looks like everyone's all right. Let's get back going. They got the tow truck. All right, let's get back on the road, guys. Oh yeah, guys. Guess where I'm at? If you know, you know. Santa Cruz Beach Boardwalk. Riding down the coast, man. I took the one all the way down quite a ways the other day. But yeah, quick road trip, guys. Hang steady. Take you guys on an adventure. In here, huh, guys? Got the watchtower. Pool tables, whatever you want. Let's go run around before we get back on the road, guys. Check out this guy going up this pole. That's a real pirate, huh? Reminds me of Treasure Island back in the day in Vegas. Used to have a big old display like this. Oh yeah, guys, by the way, I will be at Monterey Car Week, so just giving you guys a little clip here of last year. I covered it from day one all the way through. Check out and browse those videos also on the channel. Got those on there for you guys. And yeah, enjoy the video, guys. On top of that, I have a new channel. It's called Life with Lucci. I'll put the little link right here. You can also see it at the bottom here of the video. Click it, subscribe. I appreciate the genuine support. I'm going to put some additional Monterey Car Week footage on there, like a bunch of stuff that you're not going to see here, okay? This is my new channel. Help me build it up. I really appreciate all you guys and all the support. So hang steady. More coming, all right? Let's go.